The first line is about 33 inches in northeastern Ohio, so a foot as footer 36 inches deep in generally considered shape. The basic rule of thumb this is that footers should be twice as wide as the wall that will sit on them. For example, a 2 feet square pair would need at least a 4 feet square footer. The footer must support not only the weight of the pair itself but also everything that will rest on that pair, the entire boat weight. So most footer will need to be at last at least 10 or 20 10 or 12 inches thick. However, it is not unusual to need a footer 20 inches thick or so, depending on the combined weight it must support. If you are installing a new pier and footer, you will need a permit and you should follow the required specification for its construction. When the footer has set and you are ready to start the masonry part, you will probably find either a running bond or a common bond the best pattern for building the pier. It's easiest to make your pair a size that takes advantage of full bricks, so you can avoid the slow process of cutting them to a smaller dim- dimension. If you do need a partial brick, however, you can cut them with a hammer and brick chisel or hit them with the pointed end of a mason's hammer or cut them with a circular saw and a masonry cut-off blade or rent a brick saw. While mixing the mortar, soak the bricks thoroughly in water. Lay a bed of mortar on the footer to get started. See illustration on next page. Then butter, catch and end of the brick with mortar.